Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Asia here if this is your first time to my channel. If this is not your first time, thank you guys so much for coming back. I am kind of excited about this video because Rimmel has sent over quite a number of products and I didn't know if I was going to like them. But I mean, you know, I just need to throw my expectations out of the window and just let the makeup speak for itself. I need to stop thinking in the mindset of drugstore versus high-end because drugstores are really killing it. And I've said this before, I will say it again because the outcome is what matters. So yeah, let's hop right into this video. If you've not already done so, make sure you like and subscribe to not miss any more of my videos and to just, you know, I don't know, do makeup together and have a great time and find new products. I mean, because that's what we do. As usual, as I do in other videos, I'm going to be putting timestamps into the description box. I start out with my skin prep, then I go into my eyes, I do my face, and then I finish off with lips. I think that that's the order that I did this in today. I like that whole like format. If you guys like it, let me know. Yeah, so I'm gonna stop talking. Let's just hop right into the skin prep. I'll see you guys after the video is over. I really felt like I needed to pop on here and talk to you guys about this makeup look, and I might do this in future videos too, because as I was editing the footage, I realized that there were some things about how I did this look that I wanted to change, and also some things about how I do my makeup that I would love to explain to you guys. So as far as my eyes go, the first thing that I usually do is carve out my brows, and I know that sounds really odd to do that part first, but it kind of is like, I don't know, makeup on the face is like coloring to me. It's like drawing, it's art. So when I have to do my eyes, I like to have my brows already carved out so that I can focus on just putting the color onto my eyes and not having to carve out my brows after I've already perfectly applied my eyeshadow, which is why I always carve out my brows first. I went back to using the ILMAKIAGE concealer because y'all, like, legit, like that's such a good concealer for under my eyes, and the way that it dries down is just life in a bottle. So this palette Rimmel sent over, I'm telling you, I feel so much like X-Men. Okay, so here, look. Okay, so just watch what I do here. This is where I had trouble. I don't know if you guys, no, you can see it because I can see it very clearly. The fallout from the yellow is falling down onto the green that I had just placed down. I think that if I were to do this eye again, which I really want to do it again, which is why I love my channel, because my channel gives me inspiration to do makeup looks too. So in the future, when I do this look again, I think that what I'll do is I'll try and lay down the yellow first. But I was really having trouble because I'm telling y'all, when I look at this footage, it doesn't look as bad as it looked to me when I was doing it. Because when I was doing it, I'm like, where is the yellow? So I kept packing on yellow because I legit could not see it. So I really do think that when I do it again, I'm going to lay down the yellow first and see if that makes a difference. I don't know, because sometimes with some colors, laying down the lighter one works, and then other palettes, laying down the lighter one last works. So I'm gonna flip it. I don't know why that just made me think of Missy Elliott when she's like, "You're from a nippage man yet." I'm just gonna flip it next time and do it differently to see whether or not that's gonna make a difference, because I had to pack on more of the green, which is not such an issue, but really it took a heck of a lot of blending. You guys don't see the blending in its entirety because the video is sped up so that you guys aren't sitting here for as long as it took me, but it took a heck of a lot of blending to get the yellow and the green the way that I wanted it to look. And really that's the thing too. It's based on, your makeup look is based on what you want it to look like. So it's just what I wanted it to look like. I realized that with a shimmer color, I'm gonna have to apply a little bit of spray to my brush in order to make the shimmer pop the way that I wanted it to. I didn't try it dry, so I don't know what the color looks like laid on the eye just dry, but oftentimes with shimmer colors, I find that if you pack it onto the brush, like this type of a brush, the shimmer starts to give a whole heck of a lot of fallout onto the face. Spraying it not only intensifies the color, but it keeps the shimmer color onto the brush, and so I don't have fallout. As you see, my face has no fallout. Oh. Yeah, I think at this point I'm just going back in and fixing the areas that don't look as blended, because I don't want any harsh edges. So it just took a lot of blending on my part. But through the power of editing, you guys don't have to sit through the second eye, because blah blah. There we go. Oh, she cute. Hey. So I'm gonna move on to my brows. In this video, the disrespect of my children walking into my videos, but whatevs, they just want to be seen sometimes. So in this video, I decided to go into my stash, you know, those IKEA drawers back there, and pull out a brow product because I had run out of my infamous brow products from Benefit. So I decided to use this Maybelline product. It's necessary. It's a cream product, y'all. I don't know. I'm just gonna look, let me just be legit. Like, no, it's a no for me. I'm not gonna do that again. I'm not gonna use anything other than Benefit on my brows. I will try other things for you guys, but look very closely at this brow. You can see where my brow is and where I've placed product. If you can't see it, you need to get your eyes checked. I'm just saying. You don't have to, but look, like I can see the line of demarcation from product to my hair, and I didn't like that. Like I was looking at it thinking, oh my God, I look like a hot mess. And brows are like my absolute favorite product. Look, let me just say also, when you apply a cream product to your brows, set it, and you'll be able to forget it. If you don't set it, you're gonna see that cream product somewhere else on your face or your body later on in the day. I set it with this Benefit like brow product that I have, and I promise y'all I'm throwing it away. Like, it's already in the trash. It's not yet, but I'm gonna throw it away the next time I sit at my table, because I just think that it's time for it to go. This Tarte mascara, I love the way that it makes my eyes look, but for y'all, my Snap fam, y'all already know, because I talked about this on my Snapchat, it like clumps up. Like when it dries, it gets very like clumpy, and it just starts to fall all over the place. It makes my eyelashes look great when I first apply it, but I give it a few hours and I just feel like it just starts to just disintegrate, and I get pieces of mascara in my eye. But y'all know I'm cheap and I don't want to waste product, and so I'm gonna use it until I use it up. But if I get it again, it's a no-go for me. Like, I don't know if you guys have used that before. Let me know. Do you like it? Because I don't know. It's just not good. It just didn't work good. Also, looking at this footage reminds me that I need to go and sharpen all of my pencils because they are so low and you do not want to scratch your eye. I was really afraid that I was about to scratch my eye with this pencil. This one is from BAREMINERALS, and I just love their eyeliners just as much as I love the PIXI eyeliners. Just felt like halfway through this, my face I was just like, you know what, let me give you some more moisture because I haven't been using foundation, you guys. So this is what I do to my face when I haven't been using foundation. Why did I put such a big streak of brown contour on my cheek area? I don't know. I don't need that much because my face is not that big. So I'm making myself have to do more work than I should. So next time when I do my face, I have to just remind myself to just put a little bit, because look, my forehead's so tiny and my face is so little that all I need is just a little smirk of contour. But right now what you see me doing is working with what I did. I'm making myself work harder, not smarter. So work smarter with your makeup. The Benefit Boing Concealer. I think it's called Boing Concealer. I don't know. Cakeless. Their Cakeless Concealer I really like. For some reason, when I do my makeup, I do it very different than when I do clients' makeup. With me, I feel like I can play around a bit more. With clients, like I don't know, they expect it to go a certain way and in a certain order, and so you don't want to mess them up. But at times I like just being able to play around with the order with which I do my makeup, which is why sometimes, you know, I'll apply highlighter before I apply blush, or, you know, just kind of layer the two on, because I don't want harsh lines on my face. And that's the biggest thing, is you shouldn't be able to look at my face and see where I put blush or see where I put contour or see where I put highlight. And that's one of the reasons why I love sharing my videos on YouTube, because I feel like I'm able to achieve that with my own face, and I want you guys to be able to achieve the same thing. Somebody should just look at you and be like, dude, she has great skin. That's what I want for you, okay? This Flex highlighter is bomb. Every time I see it, like, ooh, look, stop that. And it just like, you would think that I woke up like, ooh, don't be giving me eye contact like that, girl. You would think that I woke up like this, but I didn't. But that's how I feel makeup should be. Like, you should look at the face and be like, is she wearing makeup? Like, she probably is, but I can't really tell. Okay, brown girls, get into this light blush. It is absolutely beautiful. Blush is essential, and it applies it gives life to the face. Yes, setting spray is like my absolute favorite thing ever. I really, really hope you guys like this look, but y'all about to see it finished because she cute. And here's my face. I really, really like this look. At first when I was doing this, I'm sure you guys could see the yellow I didn't think was gonna look the way that I wanted it to look, but the more that I did it, like, you really gotta just play around with the makeup. The more that I did the blending and I just took my time with the blending, I really, really liked it. I focused on making the eye kind of like not necessarily a cut crease, but the shimmer in a little bit of like a cut crease look. This is a really cute palette. I don't know why it reminds me of X-Men. Like, when I see it, I think of X-Men. It is, I don't know, fall doesn't scream out to me when I look at this palette, but this look is very fall. Like, I'm feeling it. Like, you could do whatever you want with this. I mean, I think that this would be a good palette for like even your little kids to like play around in the house. I used to let Honor play around with makeup when she was younger. And you don't want to buy something that's super expensive that's going to break the bank. And that's what I think drugstore makeup is really good for. But in my everyday, this is really cute. Like, Like, who would look at this and say that that's drugstore? Who would look at this and say that that's Rimmel? No one, because it's what you do with it, y'all. Okay. She cute. All right, so I've got a super long day today. We're dancing with kids today. We're having a good time today. Got to meet with the kids' resource specialist because you know they're homeschooled. So I got to get up and get out of here, enjoy my coffee, my espresso, and I hope you guys are having a really good day. If you have not already done so, make sure you like and subscribe to see more videos. Let me know in the comment section if there's something specifically that you want to see. I think that that's all the comments that I have to, you know, lately I've been going foundation free. So I hope you guys enjoy seeing how I've been maneuvering not wearing foundation, and I've really enjoyed it because people close to me say that they prefer seeing my hyperpigmentation, which is so weird. Okay, like I don't, whatevs. Like, here it is on display. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna get going because I keep on blabbing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.